In this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to give you a proper tutorial about visibility or video visibility settings on YouTube. Now, guys, YouTube provides us multiple visibility options so that we can manage that whom we want to show our video. Like we can make it public so that everyone can see it. We can make it private so that no one can see it. Or even we can add some limitations so that some specific group of people can only see that specific video. So there are multiple visibility options which I am going to explain you in this particular video. So let's directly jump into my YouTube studio. So guys, if you have already published your YouTube video and you want to make changes into the visibility settings or visibility options, then you can click here this drop down menu, and here you will be able to see the visibility options, right? And if you are going to publish it and you just after making publish it, you don't want to make it public, you want to make it unlisted or maybe private, then you can see this same option at the end of your video publishing journey, right? Now there's one more option. When you click on this pencil icon, you will see the same visibility options here as well. Right now this video is public. If I click on this drop down menu, you will see the same options over here as well. Now as you can see, this video is public right now. Now let's say I don't want to make it public, I want to make it private. You can do this thing as well. After making just publishing it, you can make it private. Like you don't want to make it public immediately, so after publishing the video, after uploading then publishing, you can make it private immediately. So this option also YouTube provides us. And if the video is if the video is private, it means no one will be able to watch this particular video until and unless you provide them access privately using this option, right? So for that you need to click on share privately, and here you need to enter those email address whom you want to provide the access. So you can add multiple email addresses over here, and if you click on this notify via email, so those users of whom you have added the email address, they will get notified on their Gmail, right, that you have shared a video privately, right? And if you make it unlisted, so in the unlisted you will get one shareable link, and if you provide that shareable link, then only your users or anybody who has that link will be able to watch your video, right? So this is the basic difference between private and unlisted. So this is basically where you can provide the access to any specific email ID. So let's say you are adding only one email ID over here and you have shared your video privately to that particular email ID. That means that particular person with that particular account will be able to see this YouTube video, right? But if you unlist the video and if you create the link and if you share the link to any particular or to any specific person, and if that person shares that link into a whole college or whole group, then whole group will be able to watch that particular video using that link. They just have to click on that link and they'll be able to watch the video. So this is the basic difference between private and unlisted. Then we have public. If you are making your video public, that means it is available for everyone on YouTube. And if your channel is monetized, you will be able to see one more option over here, and that is for members only. So members only option is basically for the monetized channels, and you might know that by paying some certain amount on a every month basis, basically monthly basis, you can become a member of YouTube channels, different YouTube channels. So if you are a member of any YouTube channel, the YouTuber that own the person who owns that channel, they provide some extra content to their private or to their star members who pay some extra amount in order to be the member of their channel. That's why YouTubers get extra option if your channel is paid and they have turn on the super member option. And at the end we do have schedule option. If let's say you have uploaded the video but you don't want to make it public right now, or maybe you don't have time to publish it for after 3 days, maybe you want to make that particular video public after 3 days. So what you can do is you can set the time and date and just hit the done button and your video will be public. But before that, here you need to make it public, and then here you need to set the time and then hit the done button, and then you have to save it, right? Basically this video is already published, that's why I have to save it. But if your video is not published, you are publishing or you are uploading it right now, then you'll see the schedule or publish button, right? I hope the confusion related to visibility options is cleared now. If you still have any question or query or any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.